Welcome once again, everybody, to this episode of Supercards Studio. I just came back from about a week ago from Southbound, a local RevOps conference in Atlanta. So that's this top hat and this super snazzy shirt are for. And we at Supercards, we served up some super Southern hospitality at the event. So today we're going to get into how can we document production processes in Supercards. So right here on the right, I'm gonna move myself on over here. We have things called bases, which different teams in your studio can create their own base to keep their own information in here. So I work at the growth team here. So we'll go in the growth base, growth production, and we're going to look at this nifty little folder today called process documentation. So here we have different information about series we create, how to create certain content, what's the purpose of the content, and you can, one of my favorite things, organize it by nifty little emojis so you can quickly find things. So let's jump right into certifications, for example. These are certificates we issue to people to go through our training program. So right here we have something called a Supercard that you can build in Supercards. I can edit it right here, edit text, and this one is explaining what's the purpose of this document. We can add different things in here if we wanted to. You can add different content. I could directly drag photos in here. Let's say I wanted to put a photo here. Boom, photos right here. I can resize it. Also, I can throw fun little GIFs in here, which I love to make. So let's throw a little GIF in here. We'll put it under here. I'm gonna move this out of the way so y'all can see it. And boom, we have a GIF. Who doesn't love a GIF? I mean, come on. So that is a little bit of what you could do with Supercards. I'm gonna cancel this just so we don't have those changes updated. Another example can be for us as a team, we often use our own teammates who are not creative professionals to create content. So I created here this Supercard that gives people different camera reference for if we're asking different shots of them, like a full body shot, medium shot, close up, extreme close up. You get the idea. But the great thing is just all the rich media you can put in here. You can embed videos, you can embed images, you can embed tables. There's so much you can do in a Supercard besides just putting text to help people see and understand things in a variety of ways. But yeah, this is where you can start to centralize, how do we do what we do? How do you document different production processes? You could even, we'll get into this in later episodes, do things like guides to guide people step by step. Or you can have action plans which walk people through the different stages of a process. And this can be really helpful for smaller studios who are maybe onboarding new employees. They need to know, how do I submit certain things? What are the different stages of production with creating a piece of video content? And everybody can join together and all be on the same page, supered easily. So that's what we have for today's episode, guys. And remember, Supercards is as Supercards does. See ya.